Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be exploring the importance of classroom observation and how it helps student teachers grow by learning from real classroom experiences.
Classroom observation is a structured approach to watching and recording teaching methods, learner interactions, and classroom dynamics without interference. It offers insights into teaching and learner engagement, bridging theory and practice. It encourages reflection, identifies growth areas, and aids in developing teaching strategies for professional growth.
Thank you for watching our video on classroom observation. We hope it helped you understand how valuable observation is in shaping effective, reflective educators.